Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for employee onboarding. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all the planning tools and can create boards for your team's onboarding processes. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see an option that says Create a Plan. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can either start from scratch or choose from Microsoft's pre-built templates, which can save you a significant amount of time when setting up common workflows. Now browse through the available templates until you find the one labeled Employee Onboarding. This template is specifically designed to help you manage the entire onboarding process for new hires from their first day through their initial training and integration into your team. Click on this template to select it. Once you've selected the Employee Onboarding template, click the Use Template button. This action tells Microsoft Planner that you want to base your new plan on this pre-designed structure. Next, you'll be prompted to input a plan name. Give your plan a clear and descriptive title, something like New Hire Onboarding 2025 or Sales Team Onboarding, depending on your needs. If you're working with a team and want to collaborate with others, you'll also have the option to share this plan with your group. Simply select the appropriate group or team members you want to give access to. This makes it easy for HR, managers, and team leads to work together on onboarding tasks. After entering all the necessary details, click Use Template again to confirm and create your plan. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Microsoft Planner sets up your template. This process usually takes just a few seconds as the system is generating all the default tasks, buckets, and assignments that come with the employee onboarding template. Once the template loads, you'll see your new onboarding plan with several tasks already created and organized. These tasks are specifically related to onboarding activities like setting up accounts, scheduling orientation meetings, assigning training modules, and checking in with new employees during their first weeks. Each task comes with suggested timelines and can be assigned to specific team members. From here, you have full flexibility to customize the plan to fit your company's specific onboarding process. You can add more tasks by clicking on Add Task within any bucket, or you can edit the current tasks by clicking on them and modifying their details, due dates, or assignments. This ensures your onboarding plan perfectly matches your organization's workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set up Microsoft Planner for employee onboarding and can now manage new hire integration more efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.